FB-7, built to fight fires on the water.
March 1989, a tanker fire. Too close, the bow weld took the heat. The repair held, the scar stayed. ...2005, budget cuts, younger boats, FB-7 was retired. No one knew.
Rig the slings under the hull.
IDMIPS and stern only. Command low and compressed.
Confirm answering quick.
Holding.
Lifting, slow and level.
Copy, level.
Pumps on, pull the level down, watch the hole. Hold there, holding. Take the strain.
Confirm strain.
Removing water now, confirm.
Yes, level dropping.
Confirm. Flow steady. Unit FB-7. Red is still under the silt. Down on the cradle. Small to cradle. Square to the blocks. The blocks. Confirm. Hold. Holding.
Barger out. No tow speed above idle.
Copy, idle only.
Barger out. Set her on the hard. Easy, square to the marks. Copy. Low pressure first. We're moving silt, not blasting steel.
Open the bilge ports and the pump housings. Command, ports open.
Confirm, flushing.
There's the scar, heat weld from the '89 fire.
If the plates aren't sound, nothing else matters.
Shore power only, nothing internal until the harness is cleared. That's salt water in the fuel tanks. Documenting fittings before removal.
Confirmed photo set. Confirmed.
Command, take the weight. Take the weight. Water cannon's off.
Clean every part to bear truth. Then we decide.
Main engine seized. Full teardown. Fire pumps and pillars corroded. Rebuild both.
Water cannon's off.
Confirm cannon isolated.
Confirming.
Cut the breach clean and square. Hold the line.
Holding.
Weld it. Consistent bead, no undercut.
Re-sleeve. Then we build it right.
Gently polishing the steel. Avoid grinding.
New bearings, new seals, torque sequence in order.
FB7, proceed to Sector 4. Copy that, moving now.
New impellers and new shaft seal. Confirm installation.
Installation confirmed.
New bearings, new seals, regrace.
Control, proceed with the rigging.
Copy that. Initiating the prep.
Rotate it full travel. Smooth. Copy that. Full travel complete.
Verifying the continuity of the new loom before final installation.
Base, this is command.
New loom is tagged and ready.
Copy that. Proceed with the fit.
There's the old red under the rust. FB7, you are clear to proceed.
Copy that, standing by.
Unit 7, proceed with the bow prep.
The bow scar stays. Seal it, don't hide it.
Copy that, sealing the scar.
Control, this is deck. Priming bay is active. Copy that, deck. Proceed with the inspection.
Primer shows everything.
Port bow sector, commence paint appellation. Copy that, FB7, painting the hull now.
Inspecting the barrier coat before final finish. Cure cycle running.
Control, FB7 is in the booth.
Copy that, standing by. Set it gentle, torque the mounts.
Command showed up, proceeding.
Connect the seacocks. No hand-tight fittings. Port connection, torque complete.
FB7. Same boat, rebuilt right.
Travel lift under the keel.
Lift her up.
She's in the air. Watch for oil pressure before it fires.
Command, engine 1 is cranking. Copy that, bring her up.
Lower her in. Slow. Watch the water line.
She's settled.
Check every seacock and fitting.
Command, visual confirmed.
Dry bilge.
She runs.
No smoke. Clean idle.
Engine status green.
Confirm. Pump 1 pressure rising.
Pressure steady at rated spec. Both pumps good.
Copy that, FB7.
Traverse full left, smooth. Full right, smooth.
Mount secure. Copy that.
Full pressure. Clean arc.
Copy that. Command, FP7 is moving to position.
Harbor Red hits back.
FB7. Ready for the next call.